Hey YouTubers, UK17 here. Today I'm here to talk to you about my EDC Emergency College Kit, which is a backup to my regular EDC bag. I'll show you what I mean straight away. Anyway, see you soon. Hey YouTubers, anyway, as I was saying to you earlier, this is my emergency EDC College Kit. As you can see, it's pretty standard for, well, what you would expect for a student like myself. And here's what we have in here, folks. We have a Union Jack notebook. As you know, that's the symbol for my channel. A book on prepping. A spare all-weather notepad, pencil case filled with bits and, well, bobs for college. Now generally there would have been a lunchbox with this kit, but I took it out just because I didn't see the point in having a lunchbox when I got my lunch kit. Anyway, this is what I do have in terms of college equipment as a backup towards my main primary kit. Just my EDC bag. Got pens, highlighters, and a few mechanical pencils in there. And that's it. Anyway, that's all we have time for today, YouTube, so thank you.